pistol in the toilets. Now I must just find toilets.
Порка в тебя убьет! Это же твоя секция!
Oh wait, it's actually just there. Holy shit. Toilet pistol. Oh well, I fucking died, but toilet pistol. Because the thing is, you kill this guy and he's got a pistol, so that doesn't really matter. But like, it's such a useless thing because you get a pistol from this guy, right?
Это же твоя
Like, if I
секция!
just kill this guy, I'm gonna get a pistol. I mean, look, he's dead. And then I'm gonna get a pistol from him, right? Yeah, so look, I got this pistol. And over here, there's literally just ammo for it inside the toilet. Like, if I go to the last checkpoint. Oh, you're taking the piss. That's fucking annoying. But yeah, there's a pistol in this toilet. Oh, you fucking die. Solid. I'm gonna edit that clip then. Save recent gameplay. Let's do 3 minutes, and I'm gonna edit that down. That was incredibly underwhelming because now it's just fucking. No. Yeah, that's incredibly underwhelming. It's just fucking. Yeah, that's annoying. It's just in there. Why did it save checkpoint, man? If I go lost checkpoint now. Yeah, so as you can see, look at the ammo counter, and then because there's a pistol in there, so it increases the ammo count, you know?